Drone footage shows Russian soldiers coming directly to the Ukrainian army positions in one of the dugouts, pulling out Zelensky's soldiers hiding from the encirclement near the settlement of Velyka Novosilka. The Russian military channel released an epic video on December 11, 2024, of fearless two Russian soldiers from the 57th Motorized Rifle Brigade, even reaching the door of the fortifications that surprising the enemy with a dangerous step. But apparently all the risks were well considered. Another step in which the Russian soldiers' progress is not slowing down in the fight against the forces of the Kiev regime funded by NATO, gradually encircling the trenches in front of Velyka Novosilka in South Donetsk, after the fall of Blahodatne. Two enemy soldiers, presumably from the Presidential Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, who were personally directly subordinate to Zelensky, surrendered to Russian soldiers in a matter of minutes. As reported a few days ago, a group of soldiers from the Presidential Brigade of Ukraine defending this settlement was also captured, as reported by a member of the public chamber of the Russian Federation, Vladimir Rogov. Now, the two prisoners of war who fought for Zelensky have decided maturely, even without a fight, to lay down their arms, going to the Russian side. They want to live and not die for the unelected president, where now Russian troops are attacking weak points in the Ukrainian defense, with small groups of infantry.